My little pony, my little pony. Ah, my little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. My little pony. Until you all shared its magic with me. Big adventure, tons of fun. A beautiful heart, faithful and strong. Sharing kindness, it's an easy feat. And magic makes it all complete. You have mine. Did you know you're all my very best friends?
Magic of friendship. Friendship is magnets.
Well, it is him, Melon.
Where are you going? Ponyville. Which pony is your favorite?
Rainbow Dash!
Awesome. I like her too, but my favorite is Applejack.